Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's scroll and find this Wallpaper section, let's tap on it. And here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. And at the top, you've got the option album, so you can choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. So let me pick something from those options, maybe this one. Just tap on it. And now it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here you can change, you can check and the preview, so here we've got the lock screen and here the home screen. So let's focus on the home screen. Basically here we've got an additional option for the wallpaper, which we can set here. We can simply tap on color, and as you can see, your device will apply the gradient. As you can see, after tapping on it again, we can choose the gradient option, we can change the colors, we can change the intensity of that specific gradient, and the same with the solid colors. So you can make it darker, lighter, it's totally up to you. I think I prefer to have it matched with the lock screen, so let me tap on this option, and now simply tap on apply in the right upper corner if you're happy with the results. Now we can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so let me tap on OK to quickly show you how it works. So here we've got featured colors, so those which are pre-installed, and we can tap on wallpaper colors, and as you can see, those are taken, let's say, from the wallpaper, so you can apply them to your system. Or you can also tap on custom, tap on got it. Tap on custom again, and now you can simply change the position of those dots and apply and select different colors which you wish to apply, and tap on OK, and now your device will apply it to the system. Now we can also go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.